So unfortunate. Hey, you can imagine. Yeah, good morning to everyone. In fact, me myself, I surprised this morning. Make I first greet some of my able-bodied men. Abeg, some of my able-bodied men this morning. You get why I talk am? You can imagine this morning, me say make we rush comot, make I do school run before I prepare my staffs for the booking. What would they do? Our normal job. I just received call, say some Fulani boys, they stop for our junction. They just dey come from Kaduna. They just cross one whole long range. You understand? The tire like person wey dey go look for hustle. Now our territory be this. Now we see the pay dues. Now men dey on ground now. The next thing wey they hear, that means they come we get work for now. Oh boy, but these men don't fall out. Then they take chase them. Two fish run now. One they don't already apprehend one and they carry and go inside the main community. From there they want to over to police. You see what they talk? I dey very, very happy today because we are one of the advocates where they preach say make boys stop to the attack boys in the name of courtesy. This one was saying in black, this one was saying in yellow, this one was saying in blue, this one was saying in white. Me, white, blue, yellow, purple, black, they kill each other. One Fulani man, they come, they kill everybody. Everybody, they bone them. White boys, they hustle boys on streets. And we know, say, it's not clear. We cannot have a collective threat. Then we go to fight ourselves in the name of courtesy. There is a collective threat. And I stay so much happy. Since yesterday, courage now, better record the time. Boys, the best. Boys not the also boys again. Boys know collective enemy. And boys now they face collective enemy. You cannot come from one territory all in the name of freedom of movement. You go to move people anyhow. Fear they let people go farm. I go do survey for one community. And we say most from there check land. I was shocked. The boys indigenous of the community say, Mona quick. Oh. Fulani men, they bush here. That one at the same community after where they for kill the American man. Where they for kidnap the American man with the kill. Now they talk so. After a whole year. Now tell they say on our own community. Another person from outside. Come hold your bush. You they even they say more quick. What if you not plan towards combing that bush? Those days when we did school for a donut. One woman they work for inside farm. All these Fulani people they carry cow, they rape the woman, they move the woman. Bros, it not reach 30 minutes. Ouchie youth, you know how they be now. Those one are people where they use ordinary hand to pursue who go, not be joke. They enter inside bush. They bring results. You don't ever hear say, na so esme go, do not go as you. If you try young. If you try young, now on the principle of I don't care who will get here, we go to say these people are criminals. It's not a tribal issue. They are criminals. Let us look at the criminals. See, all men are capable of doing something. Put every man on watch. Because let me tell you, even me when they talk now, as a man, not say I'll fit do something. So if we go fit do something, believe say the next man will fit do something. So if you just say these people are criminal, let's look for the criminal element. Yeah, all of them are not this. Go and look at the confessions where they make. About that American man when they catch one, watch out for crime watch. He say he get the house where in the state for I don't forget the area where he say in the state. Say they bring in the coin, say make it come from north. In gold, not to be kidnapped. Not to the kidnap. Now, the kidnapping now say not be saying that kidnapping will be said or say Festus get money. More remove Festus make up pay ransom. Not be that type. Then they look for anybody now. They feel also anybody they also they'll catch on. They'll say 150, 20. Then they even pay some 20,000.
Say woman by yourself,
So you they feel me, and instead of us to the act against these collective predators and enemies, boys go the same man. That one a purple. We know the lad way. If all of us gather now say we not go agree, we not go agree. You get some male will say come on and say, oh God, now purple the run out. People say na house blood before join. We don't fit them with them. If na house blood now, we know. But then it gets someone go say, oh, if we come go join the activate now, house blood go say they took care man. House blood go say they took care man. We know fit involved. Make they not go say that they get this stuff. Another person they come from somewhere they get all of them. Another person they come from somewhere they get everybody down. Me and you the reason house blood, purple. This color and that color. Or I get one. If you're not going to let me talk again, you're there somewhere like this. People will know naturally say, this will I mean, I know say, get some men will be say, we know say, be brother. Because one or two things, I'll say, you don't know me, now me be Melensky. Melensky. Brother will be your no say no man, if not because say, see, finish. I not suppose to stand, they follow and talk. I'll say, I not like the way you tell the behave. Wait till be all this one.
Not clear.
Wait till be all this one. Naturally, in the Benin average tradition, seniority they lie.
Yes.
You don't know say this one a brother Jobu. This one a brother Christo. This one a brother this. Forget say maybe some of us can speak tall. We can still get opportunity to test and not be say we not supposed to know our mate.
Yeah.
Et toi avec so.
Yeah.
I can look back. Again, this excessive opportunity. No, not be that level. Again, this excessive opportunity. Bros, come this side. I know you do advertisement. Showroom. I know you do advertisement. I got time for you. I'm doing a video. I know you do advertisement. Show waiting and discuss. Now, under a normal situation, we all know, say, in this environment today, in this our various society, bros, that's the fact. But these days, children, as missing be so many children to some people. Yeah. Forget say we go say all the Osapuna. We not still children to some people. I see the tell people say, thank God say, work not this time we know. Thank God say many people don't come out. Abroad road open. If not, people for the chop people for streets. Me not get money. If I not even reach with tongue. Now people will say they Osapuna. If we not reach our tongue to say men data. So what on earth will we now be destabilizing ourselves when we get collective problems? People never know. Many people they take this issue with kid low. They'll say, na your normal level. Na your normal level. Not knowing say man, if they never kill your family, or no man, no average Benin man, go agree. May the rape your wife. If the wife even mistakenly agree, say the raper, he prefer may the wife kill himself, I not go agree. That's it. Even they say no, say na rape, you go have to forgive that wife. Why won't you prevent those situations by ensuring that we come out in unison? Policeman go there road. He go they look for 20 naira, 50 naira, 100 naira. As motor they come, if the motor heavy, you go say parkway. In fact, they know they do police again and jealousy.
And those people are near S-men, so now motor they enter and just when they come down when I did junction. Like I want to stop them here.
I saw. Now they talk so.
Now motor they enter. I say when I see them, I say this thing not clear. I get to give chance. Before my brother here get to call and say, show walk day. Headache bagger. Now they pick interest. They follow up the matters.
Now, because I never get chance now for go because they go the book, you know, for go inside community, show them one way they catch. That's not fair to police. We know say that in this country, this is gross injustice. Let's be sincere. Okay, now, do you know that in the north, police not the oko, na batting. Na batting. But for here, do you know that for here, if you as a Benin man can na batting they offer note. If you as a Benin man, they walk up past police station, you host a Benin if you do one like this, they'll arrest you. But the Fulani man go host a night like this. He go palm. A police see and say, now when na no heal am, he will come on. Are they more of Nigeria than us? It is time for us to ask questions. Let us not be deceiving ourselves. Say, may problem not come, may problem not come. Let me tell you the simple truth. If you want peace, the both of us are supposed to work for peace. I cannot be saying, I don't want make problem take. Make you go to scatter the environment. You yourself not get to it. If not be the color A, color B, color C, color D, where they divide you, who be all these people? Who they be? Normal level. Why you they do like that? You get an average Edo man, not they accept intimidation. Now that thing, I turn to the problem of day so. Instead of us now to not spearhead them to get unity, we are now using that thing, so they look ourselves, say, man, who be this man? Some people will say, leave those men, they smell. Even person will spray perfume, they'll say it smell. Because of color. I know they want talk because I want talk. Me as I did so. If you talk say you don't want to follow people where we call the waka, you know get friend. Because 90% of the youth are members of different organizations. The need is this. Let us begin to sensitize them. Make them know, say, your organization, if you look the histories of these various groups where you join, where our people join, so there was a targeted goal. The goal was unity against intimidation. But now, it is now me versus you. The colonial master, when we established for don't go. All boys don't talk to soldier man for street. But when we not join me, not join me. They by self the new bands, you sure say they come and come. And not like the way those men taste thing. That boy, the way those men like take pay, you sure say they don't want. Whereas that one just they said, madam, give me quilly. He not even the reason you, but conscience. They make men feel say, where's the plan to cut boys' head? That is why all these disgruntled elements they fit create this problem. That is the same reason why governments they feel use us. It is the truth. Let's not deceive ourselves. Bros, if everybody get united, you never see any government come and one day accuse the government, say, you steal money. The government is not afraid of you, go say, yeah, still I'm gonna do it when I want to do. Come on, let's keep protest. The government is checking. They do everything to prevent them because they know the world is watching. But here, our people, the youth, they assist them to intimidate us. Okay, thank you. As we speak, go and check. Politicians and children, not they vote for their papa for election. Politicians and children, they not they vote for their papa for election. In fact, they not they do election grant for their papa election. Their own papa election, they not the day. You know they see them. But we go do the whole work. When it reach the time for benefit and enjoyment, now for them. The battle, now for we. We will never regret because in life, you must stand tall to defend what is right. Thank God today we are now having a new order in our state.